So queen's not been released yet, so I'm gonna manually release her. Here she goes down inside. Alright, so what I'm doing is giving a frame of this really nice brood from the pink hive. I'm going to put it here into the green hive to get them kick-started with their new queen. They'll know the brood's here, and they'll have some extra bees. I'm going to release this queen too. Now down you go. Brood and larva going into this one. Just making sure there's no queen on here. I've released the queens in the green and yellow and added some brood frames to help them out. Some extra bees into the yellow. Didn't have a ton of bees in there. So we'll hope for the best. Check on them this weekend.